Welcome. Today we'll go through the eligibility criteria for BITSAT 2026. Knowing these requirements is the first step toward admission at the prestigious Birla Institute of Technology and Science. Let's understand who can apply, the academic requirements, marks criteria, and important deadlines. To begin with, students appearing for their Class 12 exams in 2026 or those who passed in 2025 are eligible to apply. Only your most recent Class 12 attempt will be considered for eligibility. Also note that if you're already enrolled in a BITS campus, you are not eligible to take BITSAT again. Candidates must have completed 12th grade under the 10+2 system from a recognized central or state board. The required subjects are physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, one language, and one additional subject, making it a minimum of 5 subjects in total. Proficiency in English is mandatory for all candidates. For most programs like BE and MSc except BPharm, you must score at least 75% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry, and mathematics combined. Additionally, you need a minimum of 60% marks in each subject individually. Both theory and practical marks are considered, and importantly, no rounding off of percentages is allowed. For BPharm and BE Environmental Engineering, the criteria are slightly different. A 75% aggregate in physics, chemistry, and either biology or mathematics. At least 60% in each of these subjects individually. If you studied PCB, you must still demonstrate mathematics proficiency at Class 10 level. This ensures eligibility for students from both PCM and PCB streams. There are a few key conditions to keep in mind. Your Class 12 results or improvement results must be declared by June 30, 2025. Results after this date won't be accepted. Students retaking Class 12 in 2024 or 2025 are eligible provided their results meet all criteria before the deadline. Once you've passed, your status cannot change from pass to fail after improvements or repeats. To summarize, you need Class 12 with the right subjects, PCM or PCB with English, minimum 75% aggregate and 60% in individual subjects. PCB students must show Class 10 level maths proficiency. Only the latest attempt counts and results must be in by June 30, 2025. With these eligibility rules clear, you can now confidently prepare for BITSAT 2026 and aim for admission into your desired BITS program. Good luck!